In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge layers in Canva quickly and the right way. If you've ever worked on a design with multiple elements like text, images, icons, or shapes, and wanted them to move and resize together as one single layer, this is the method you need to know. The best part is it only takes a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss a small setting that can save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Canva tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. This can be any type of design, a presentation, social media post, YouTube thumbnail, flyer, or anything else. Once you're inside the editor, locate the elements you want to merge. In Canva, merging layers is done by grouping elements together so they behave as one single object. Step 1 is to select all the elements you want to merge. You can do this in two different ways. The first method is to manually click on each element one by one. Click the first item, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the other elements you want to include. This allows you to select multiple items at the same time. If you want to select everything on your page quickly, there's an even faster way. Simply press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. This keyboard shortcut instantly selects all elements on your current page. You'll know everything is selected when you see bounding boxes around all objects. Make sure you only select the items you actually want to merge. If something extra is selected by mistake, just hold Shift and click it again to deselect it. Being precise here will prevent layout issues later. Once all your desired elements are selected, move to Step 2, which is grouping them. Look at the top right toolbar in Canva. You'll see a button labeled Group. Click on that button and instantly Canva will combine those selected elements into one grouped layer. There's also a keyboard shortcut for this to make your workflow even faster. Press Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. As soon as you press that, your selected elements will be grouped together. Now your elements are merged and will behave as a single layer. This means when you click on them, they move together. If you resize them, everything scales proportionally. If you rotate them, they rotate as one object. This is especially useful for logos, complex text designs, mockups, or layered graphics where alignment matters. If you ever need to edit something inside the grouped group, simply double-click the group to select an individual element. You can also ungroup everything by selecting the group and clicking Ungroup in the top toolbar, or by pressing Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows or Command+Shift+G on Mac. Grouping is one of the most important layer management tools in Canva because it keeps your design organized and prevents accidental movement of individual elements. It also makes duplicating entire design sections much easier. Just select the grouped layer and duplicate it instead of copying each element separately. So just to quickly recap, select all the elements you want to merge by clicking them individually with Shift, or press Ctrl or Command+A to select everything. Then click Group in the top toolbar, or use Ctrl or Command+G. And that's it! Your layers are now merged and working as one. That's how you merge layers in Canva the simple and efficient way. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.